To begin my design of this adorable little baby bodysuit, I head over to Google Images and download a Zentangle of a jumping orca. Then I type in my copy, Dream Big Little One, and choose the fonts Chalkboard, Savoye, Christmas Tree, and Buttercup. The vinyl I decide to use is a gold matte vinyl, a black matte vinyl, and a blue fuzzy flock. And the Tweety Light makes weeding all of these so much easier. Next, I put everything through the laser toner printer, and now I'm ready for the heat press. All right, we're going to pre-press our baby bodysuit for a couple of seconds just to eliminate any wrinkles and moisture. We're working with our baby bodysuit and NoWeed Foil. So I've printed my image from my laser printer on our NoWeed Foil transfer paper, and I'm just cutting it down a little bit because this 9-month-old baby bodysuit is tiny. So I've cut it down some, and we're going to press it on here. I've got it set to 315. We're going to press this for just about 15 seconds, medium pressure. Make sure when you print the image, you print it mirrored. Okay? And this one is a warm peel, so I just wave around a couple of times. Remember to peel this low and slow. There's our little image. Next, I'm going to cut the foil to about the size we're going to use it. I want my stripes running across. You want to make sure your image is covered, and we're going to press this for 10 seconds. This is a cold peel. You can see where the image is already starting to come through, which is a good thing. So we're going to cold peel. I'm using our cooling block. We sell this on our website. There's our little whale. And this is what your foil looks like afterwards. Pretty cool, huh? I've got my copy ready to go. Put this baby up here. Make sure it's even. This is our 1, 2, 3 flex. So I'm only going to press it for a couple of seconds just to tamp it down. We've got a couple of more to press. And this is a warm peel. This one is flock that I'm putting down. Again, I'm just going to press it for a couple of seconds. And flock is a warm or cold peel. I think I'm just going to peel it off a little bit. That's our mat. So that's just a couple of seconds. Warm peel. Now I'm going to give the whole thing another 20 seconds just to ingrain it. And here we go. Dream big, little one. Thanks, everyone. When you use a script font and want to move the letters together, always remember to weld them, because if you don't, when you go to weed them, they fall apart at the joints. That's what welding does. It joins them. Thanks again, everyone. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.